my goodness, look at it.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna focus on getting this 2018 Camaro ZL1 back in the paint booth and give the third attempt on the paint job. So he's gonna be focused on getting that fender sanded and primed in while I'm gonna be sanding the rest of the car.
So I'm sanding it with a 180 right here, getting it ready for primer. I'm about to shoot primer here in a little bit. I'm gonna go around it with this 180, rough it up a little bit so that primer will stick really good. And then we'll be ready to throw some primer. All right, so the fender is ready, it's prepped. Now I'm about to throw the first layer of primer on.
So we went ahead and taped up that rear glass so we could sand everything. So while that primer dries on the fender, we're actually gonna run and get something to eat. And as soon as we get back, we're gonna go ahead and sand this entire car.
Thank you. You too.
Ooh-wee. That's a fat sack right there. Let's see what we got from this little barbecue shack here.
Oh, you know the killer potato.
You can't go wrong with it. Yeah, that's one killer potato right there. There's another one right there.
Got some chili cheese fries. Ooh, you can't go wrong with that barbecue chili cheese fries.
That barbecue. But yeah, we're gonna eat and then we're gonna get right back to work, guys.
Back to work here. So this beautiful weather turned into rain, but good thing the primer is already dry. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it in the garage and finish sanding. Inside the garage here, it just started pouring. So let's go ahead and start sanding this sucker down. All right, so we got the whole entire car wet sanded. It is ready for the paint booth, but first I went ahead and trimmed out this one fender because I want to test it, see if we have any kind of reaction or anything. Hopefully it's all good. So we're gonna go ahead and grab some of this clear wrap, throw it over the car, and spray this one fender in. So everything went smoothly, the paint laid down really nicely. I'm very proud of it, no type of problems whatsoever. So I think we're ready to go to the paint booth, so we'll catch you guys there.
Alrighty guys, so we are back at the paint booth for the third time, but it is all ready. We got the whole entire car sanded along with the front and rear bumpers and the side skirts. But this time at the paint booth, let's go see what we got. We got some brand new intake filters. Check that out. This is gonna give us a way better paint job, hopefully. So let's go ahead and get that car in here wrapped up and just ready to spray. And just to show you guys what the older ones look like, check these out, man.
Oh, that is disgusting.
Oh, that is nasty, man.
They worked pretty good, but I just felt like a very weak draft in the paint booth. But now, man, it's gonna be perfect. That is disgusting. Glad we got new filters.
So, hey, it might have been for the better.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Hey, yeah. New filters after the 2 paint jobs, so third time's the charm. Hopefully we get this thing slicked in.
I can't believe it, guys. Third time, and I got a good feeling about this for some reason. So hopefully we get an awesome paint job and just get that thing over with. Super excited.
So now we're just gonna go ahead and tape the whole car up really nicely. We're gonna leave the side skirts in here up front, leave the bumpers out for now, because the first thing we're gonna do is paint the roof and the side skirts black. Then once we do that, let it dry, tape it up again, and then we're gonna bring the bumpers in here, set everything up nicely and paint the blue. And you know, we're gonna do our little thing. It's our third time, so we already know what to do, exactly how to tape, so this should go by way faster.
Now. Hey, we're pros now.
We're pros at taping up this car now.
Pretty much. But look at the weather. It's beautiful weather today. Not cold.
Oh yeah.
That could have been part of the issue earlier. It was super cold, but man, we got some beautiful weather, new filters. I think we're about to get
what more can you ask for?
Let's go ahead, tape it up, and then we'll catch you guys then.
Alright guys, so we just threw down 3 coats of base. I think third time's a charm because everything's going smoothly so far, fingers crossed. But now that the base coat is completely dry, we're going to go ahead and unwrap this clear wrap up on the roof so we can go ahead and get ready for the clear coat.
Yes sir, and we also went ahead and turned on the heater, so we're letting these base coats dry pretty dang good in between coats. And it is pretty dang cold, so we are working with it. But I mean, we got great coverage and everything is just amazing. Go ahead and unwrap this sucker right here. We did the same thing to the side skirts. The side skirts are actually outside, not outside, but they're over there because we do not have any room in here, and I think that's our best option right now. And look, also we went with paper here, that way there's no flakes. So we learned our lesson. So this is where we had the side skirts set up because I think this is just the best way to do it for us because they're not too big of a panel and there's not that much overspray and clear coat. So we're gonna go ahead and unravel these and see how they turned out. Man, this is the most exciting part. Once you can make it to clear, the whole paint job should go smooth from here on out. It's a little bit dark in here, but where's that flashlight at? Show them what else we came up with, man.
We had to upgrade, man. We had to upgrade to a nice light to check if the paint is going down nicely. It's perfect, man.
And we are
really
prepared.
bright. Look at the suit. Look at the suit lights up.
Oh, the suit is awesome, bro.
Here, shine the light on my suit. It lights up.
Oh, that's sick.
You see that?
Hey, the only thing that matters is the motivated painters.
Yep.
That's where you can get that suit right there. It's high quality suit right there. I'm telling you, most comfortable suit.
Oh yeah, go check out his channel on Instagram as well, guys. Man, he has some awesome tips for painters out there, upcoming painters and professional. Man, this guy is a professional. So
yeah, Gabriel, man, you are the man, dude.
Oh yeah.
Don't slick it in, right?
Oh yeah, as always.
As always, especially with the new guns that we got, man. Them
yeah,
suckers.
I want to know how it's gonna come out at the end. You know, I want to know how much trash, how much this gun sprays down, how good of a coat it lays down. Because the first time I sprayed clear with this, man, it was amazing. So now we're throwing 3 coats on everything, so we should be good.
And last time we did have a little bit of trash because we had the old filters. Now we got these brand new filters, so man.
Oh yeah, fingers crossed, guys.
All right, so the clear coat is getting poured up there. Got my tack cloth ready. I'm gonna tack it right before we throw the clear, just in case. I'm gonna do it very lightly. That way we get rid of any dust particles or any debris that is possible. And I got the heater in here actually heating up these panels. It's pretty warm in there, nice and toasty in the booth right now. So I think we're good, man. the first coat went down really nicely so far.
Oh yes, I'm happy with the first coat. Now we just mixed up our second coat of clear. Man, we're getting it done now. We're getting it done. Everything's going smoothly so far, so we are really excited, man. I cannot wait to finish painting the whole entire car.
It's gonna be sick. First coat right there. Gotta throw a second and probably a third.
If I have enough for a third coat, definitely gonna do a third coat.
Yep, that way if we need to, we could polish the heck out of it, you know what I mean?
Buff, you know, yep, that's right.
Do what you gotta do.
That second coat went down smooth, no runs, nothing. Very excited about that. Very excited about that. Super excited. I don't want to get too excited because I got one more coat to go. So hopefully, fingers crossed once again, so I don't get no runs or anything, but man, it's looking good. Check that out.
Ooh-wee. Let's mix up the third coat. Let's spray it in, man.
Let's do it. Alright guys, so we just laid down the third and final coat. Everything is pretty much halfway dry. So we're gonna hop in there and unwrap it before it fully dries.
Yeah, it's good.
Ready to...
Yes, this is the most tedious part right here.
We're gonna unwrap it, but guys, man, I cannot believe it.
The third time's a charm.
Third time's a charm, man. I guess it is. Is this one of the best paint jobs we've ever had? Probably.
I think so. I think it's one
We're
of the
gonna have
best.
to. We're gonna have to finalize that tomorrow in the morning
Yes.
when it's fully cured.
When we pull it outside, I just want to see it outside.
Outside in the sunlight. Hopefully it's sunny. That's right, boys. We're celebrating with a little bit of leftover pizza. We got a microwave. Paint job is just amazing. Can't wait to see it in the morning. So we're gonna catch you guys tomorrow. All right, so we just made it back. This is the next day here. We're gonna pull it out into the sun. And man, we're just gonna show you guys how it turned out. Absolutely amazing. I'm just gonna let you guys know. Oh my goodness, look at it. Dang, son.
What's she look like?
She's beautiful. And this time she is ready to go home and actually get put together. We went ahead and took the side skirts out right there. Man, look at that, dude.
And with the black roof, it looks so good in the sun.
I don't see any trash, man. With them new filters.
Perfect, dude.
That is just amazing,
Look
man.
at the metallics in the blue. Oh man, that's so sick.
Beautiful. Let's go ahead and take out the front and the rear bumper and also let it sit in the sun for a little bit. Maybe an hour.
Yeah, definitely leave the car, that, you know, let it bake. We're not in a rush right now, so let's take them out. Go ahead and grab the stand. I'll grab the whole bumper.
That thing is just smooth looking.
Oh yes.
All right, so we let it bake for about 30 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and load it up and head back to the house. Alrighty guys, so we got it loaded up and man, it just looks amazing, guys. We got it strapped up and I think we're ready to head back home, unload it and just let it bake, let it cure.
Oh yes.
And then we're gonna put it back together here very soon. So we're gonna catch you guys back at the house. We are back home, just coming off the trailer real nice and easy. We had to pop off the front bumper because it does scrape. As you can see, it is super low right there. Alrighty guys, so that is gonna be a wrap for today's video. I mean, the paint job just turned out absolutely amazing. Probably the best paint job we have ever gotten so far. Thank you guys for all the love and support, and a huge shout out to Welcome Spray Guns and Motivated Painters. You guys helped us get the best paint job ever. So be sure to stay tuned for the next video when we put this thing together. It may be the interior or this aggressive front end. We also got a few other surprises for this car, so be sure to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on anything. With that being said, guys, be sure to follow us on Instagram. You get the inside scoop there before YouTube. Also, guys, be on the lookout for a new merch drop coming soon at goonsquad.com. So thank you guys for watching today's video and stay tuned for more awesome content. Peace.